How to upload photos on Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, locate your Google Maps and then open it. Now, on your bottom navigation bar, on your right corner, go to Contribute. After that, what you will have to do is tap on Add Photo. Then go to See Gallery. Select your photos. Go to Permission and make sure your files and media is permitted. After that, go back again, and once you have given permission, go to See Gallery, select the photo. Then you will see this Post option on your top right corner. Select a place from here and then post it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.